this is Kristen Shaw with Airport Improvement Magazine. I'm here with Randell Thrasher from Forbo, and they do airport flooring.
Yes.
Tell me about the company.
Forbo's been in business in the U.S., in the business for about 80 years, 80 plus years, although we've been manufacturing products for 150 years before that. We're the third largest manufacturer of flooring products in the world.
Okay.
We're based in Switzerland. The majority of our products are produced and manufactured in Western Europe, not China, Western Europe. So you have the high quality, high performance, low cost of ownership over the life, sort of what we do.
And I see you've got a pocket square there. That's an example of your flooring.
I have a pocket square. This is a product we manufacture. It's called Flotex. It's a carpet that has all the benefits of a carpet, but the same benefits of a hard surface, which means it's easy to clean, except this is softer, quieter. It reduces noise, absorbs noise and sound.
Right, so when you're wheeling your suitcase down the hall.
No resistance to wheel traffic, and extremely durable. So much so that you can take a wire brush and not affect it.
We'll see a thing.
Nothing.
And it does feel kind of like a piece of Velcro or
yes,
yeah.
It does. But it has type 66 nylon.
What does that mean?
That's the toughest, hardest, the most specified form of nylon in the world.
So it's like high strength steel in nylon form.
That's right. And there are 80 million individual fibers inserted into an adhesive back, so you don't have the thing with tufting, which is the way most carpets are made, where you take a needle and punch through the back.
Right.
And to be able to do that, you've got to advance the back forward. That creates space. That space is a place where the carpet will fold over, so you need a cushion underneath. And it's also a place for things to hide.
For sure.
Yeah.
And in today's environment, where airports are trying to be cleaner than ever.
Hygiene is very important.
Right.
Yes.
So what are you seeing in the last 2 years? Has it changed the way people are looking at flooring?
The paradigm shifted when COVID hit. Everybody became more involved with sanitizing, keeping things clean, keeping surfaces clean, which played right into the majority of our products that we manufacture.
And how has that affected the volume of your business?
Our volume sort of took a dip because there was no activity.
Right.
Since most of our products are hospital grade, we were an essential supplier, so we were able to keep our factories running. But we're seeing it starting to come back again.
I can imagine.
Yep.
And I would think that kind of quality and that kind of sanitary type of flooring would be very much in demand going forward.
It should be, yes.
Now, when you're talking to airports, what are they saying? As they're planning for the next 10 and 20 years?
There are plans that are definitely out there. There's a lot of activity, and especially with the infrastructure bill that, I don't know if it was signed yesterday, but when that comes through, everybody's waiting for the traveling public to get out and start traveling again.
Yeah,
so they're getting ready for it.
Yeah, and I heard even this Thanksgiving for 2021 that they're expecting it to be nearing pre-pandemic levels.
Yep.
So
Yep.
make your reservations
That's
early,
right? Or drive.
Or drive.
Or drive.
Or fly.
That's right.
So what would you tell airports now, as you're meeting with airports, as they're getting ready for this infrastructure bill to kick in, more travelers to come? What's your advice on flooring?
I would advise them to look ahead 10 years. You want a product on the floor that's going to last a minimum of 10 years and look good.
Yes.
If you have a carpet square and you have to replace it because it's dirty, the tile you put down looks like a new patch on old blue jeans. Right. So with the Forbo product, with Flotex, since you can clean it with just water, clean the stains, there's really no need to take it up and move it around. You're not going to wear it out. You're not going to tear it up. So, and I can show you. This is a wine stain right there.
Okay.
See that?
I can't even see it.
Feel it. You can touch it. It's right there. So we'll take just regular water. And I'll take a brush. See how it's
Just plain
up
water.
there? And then I will take a washcloth. You see where this stain was and how it's gone. This is 2 years old.
That's a brilliant something to have for people with toddlers.
Yes, yes. And especially in airports, as families are traveling more, you're going to have a lot of spills. You're going to have a lot of things dropped on the floor, stepped on the floor.
Right.
And the Flotex allows them to clean.
Awesome.
But another thing that's important in airports is the carbon accreditation program. We have a product that we manufacture. This is our flagship product. It's called Marmoleum. It is made of all natural materials, wood flour, calcium carbonate, linseed oil from flax, and pine rosin from pine trees. So as long as the rain comes down and the sun shines, we have our supply of product. This is a homogeneous mix. You can repair it on site. It does not require waxing or stripping. It's a 30-year floor. It's probably the most green option in the flooring market today.
Yeah, and airports are interested in that as well.
It's extremely durable, and you can do an awful lot with it with the colors.
That's so
Plus,
interesting.
we also can do patterns on the linoleum. Couldn't do that last time we met.
Okay.
But this is a new introduction. It's called Impressa. We can do custom designs on it as well. Has the same 30-year life cycle that the Marmoleum does. And this is all PVC free. We are the largest PVC free product manufacturer in the world.
And why should airports care about that?
Well, because of the off-gassing of vinyls and plastics, it's just got a bad name in the marketplace.
Good to know. It's something for airports to understand.
Yes. And this is made carbon neutral, CO2 neutral, with no offsets.
Okay.
So all natural, it's antimicrobial and antistatic, so easy to clean.
You guys have a lot going on.
We got a lot. Hopefully a lot more.
Well, thank you, Randell. I appreciate
Thank
your time.
you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.